Take a look at your screen for a second. Does your PC feel clean and professional, or does it feel like a digital billboard? Pop-ups in your notifications, suggestions inside File Explorer, prompts asking you to try OneDrive, Copilot, or finish setting up services you never asked for. Over time, Windows has added a lot of promotional content, but here's the good news. Almost all of it can be turned off. The problem is, the settings are buried deep. In this video, I'll show you exactly where they are and how to disable them step by step, so you can get back a clean, distraction-free Windows experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean up File Explorer. Open File Explorer. Click the three dots at the top and select Options. Go to the View tab. Scroll down and find Show Sync Provider Notifications. Uncheck it. This removes promotional messages about cloud services that appear inside File Explorer. Step 2. Silence unwanted notifications. Press Windows key +I to open Settings. Go to System Notifications. Scroll to Notifications from Apps and Other Senders. Review the list carefully. Turn off notifications for apps like Wireless, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Account, or any app you don't want sending suggestions. This prevents unnecessary prompts and feature suggestions. While you're working, you can also turn off the Master Notifications toggle at the top. This disables all app notifications instantly. Just keep in mind, you won't receive alerts from email, calendar, or messaging apps. Use this only if you prefer checking apps manually. Step 3. Disable post-update prompts. While still in Notifications, scroll to the bottom and click Additional Settings. Turn off Show the Windows Welcome Experience after updates. Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Note, on some Windows versions, you may see fewer options. Just turn off whatever is available in this section. This stops full-screen setup prompts after major updates. Step 4. Turn off personalized suggestions. Go back to Settings, Personalization, Device Usage. If gaming, business, or school categories are enabled, turn them off. These settings influence the types of suggestions Windows may display. Step 5. Disable the Advertising ID and recommendations. Go to Settings, Privacy, Recommendations, and Offers, or General in some builds. Turn off all options that mention ads, tips, product recommendations, or content personalization. This includes get personalized tips, ads, and recommendations based on my Windows activity. Let websites show me content in my preferred language. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking which apps I open. Show notifications in Settings. Let Windows show me product recommendations and offers. Let apps show me personalized ads by using my Advertising ID. Doing this disables your Advertising ID and reduces personalized promotional content across Windows. And that's it. Your Windows setup is now cleaner, quieter, and far less intrusive. No extra software, no registry edits, just smart configuration. On a scale from 1 to 10, how annoying were those ads for you? Drop your answer in the comments. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more practical Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.